Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I am grade 5 English literature teacher, and today we are studying one of the topics from the Adventures of Tom Sawyer. So now you have to open page number 10, and we are going to start the topic Tom's sore toe. Now you must have studied about that Saturday. Tom got a punishment from Aunt Polly for doing mischief. Sunday he also made so much mischief in the church, and he brought the beetle, and there was so much mischief. Now everything was finished. Saturday and Sunday's holidays are finished. Now Monday it was school day. So Tom Sawyer was very unhappy. He didn't want to go to school. So he was thinking that he wished that he was sick and he don't have to go to school. So now he was thinking of some reason not to go to school. So he discovered that his upper two teeth was loose, and he was thinking now he's lucky. So now he don't have to go to school. But if he complained about a bad tooth, his aunt would pull out the tooth, and that hurts him. So he decided that he will not give this excuse that his tooth has become loose for not going to school. So he was thinking of some other reason. Now he was thinking about it, that he found a sore toe, and it wasn't so bad, but he thought that it's a very good excuse for not going to school. So now just lying in bed only, he started to make horrible noises, and said his brother was sleeping side by. He just woke up and he asked Tom that what happened to him, but he was just shouting, and so Sid decided that he should call his Aunt Polly. So he went downstairs and shouted that Tom is dying. So Aunt Polly also came quickly, and she ran. Aunt Polly came quickly, and he said that how could Tom die for such a sore toe. So don't be silly, he said, Tom, that don't be silly. Your sore toe won't kill you. So when she got to Tom's bedside, she said, Tom, what's the matter with you? Aunt Polly asked him, and so now Tom is making excuses that my toe is sore and it's dead, and now I'm not going to go to school. How can I go to school? So now Aunt Polly was much in problem, and he even forgot about his sore tooth. And now Aunt Polly, it seemed that it hurt so much that I even forgot about my sore tooth. He just told this to Aunt Polly. So Aunt Polly said that what happened to your tooth. So the Tom just gave the answer quickly, that it has become loose and now it is hurting. So now Aunt Polly is saying that, oh, your tooth is hurting, so now you need to pull out your tooth. And he told Mary to go in the kitchen and bring some silk thread and a piece of coal from the kitchen. Now as Tom heard that Aunt Polly is going to pull out the loose tooth, he became afraid, because he don't want to pull out his tooth, because Aunt Polly do it very badly. So now he said that don't pull my tooth. I don't want to stay at home from school. So now Aunt Polly came to know that why was he saying this, and Aunt Polly told him, yes, you don't want to go to school, that's why you're making these excuses, so that you can go for fishing, so you are a bad boy at home. Now Aunt Polly wanted to punish him, and for punishing him, the Mary who has returned back, and he has brought the silk thread and piece of cloth from the kitchen. So now Aunt Polly tied one end of thread to Tom's tooth and the other end to the bedpost, and then she took the piece of hot coal and touched Tom's face. So as Tom pulled his head back fast. The tooth was out, hanging on the thread by the bedpost, and that was the punishment of Aunt Polly, so that he'd never make the excuse of sitting back at home on school days. So we have studied till here, and then in this reference I have given the reference to the context. One I have already solved for you, and one you have to solve it by yourself. Now you have to put the name of the topic. Tom's sore tooth, page number 10, reference to the context. What's the matter, Tom? And who is saying this? Sid is saying this. To whom? Tom. And what is the circumstance? Circumstance is that when Tom was making horrible noises to show that he was in great pain, at that time his brother Sid woke up and asked that to Tom. This you can get it from, I can show you where you will get this from. You will, here it is. What's the matter, Tom? This that I have given over here, what's the matter, Tom? It's on page number 11. Now Sid is asking that what's the matter with Tom, and this it is saying to Tom, and circumstances I have shared. Then the second is, oh please auntie, don't pull it out. This I have taken from here. Oh please auntie, don't pull it out. This I have taken from page number 12. And who is saying this? Of course, who said these lines? These lines are by Tom. And to whom is he saying? He's saying to Aunt Polly. And why is he saying? He's saying that because Aunt Polly has asked Mary to bring the silk thread and piece of coal from kitchen fire to pull out the loose tooth of Tom, and Tom is very afraid because Aunt Polly pulls it out very badly and it gives a lot of pain to Tom. So this both of these are your homeworks. Do it in your English literature copies. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.